Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to add new link collection posts from Google Drive. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to upload a new file that I want to use to create a post, then automatically by capturing the detail of that file, I'm going to create a new post in my new link account to my collection. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between Google Drive and new link. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. With Pabbly Connect, I need to use Trigger and Action. In Trigger application, I'm going to use Google Drive. In Action application, I'm going to use New Link. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we are going to see that how we can add new link collection post from Google Drive. So suppose in our Google Drive, we are going to add or upload new file like a video or image that we want to post on social media. And as we are uploading this file in Google Drive, then automatically we want to use this file to add a new post in our new link account in our collection. So we are going to add this post so that we can organize, maintain or schedule our social media posting. So from Google Drive, we are going to add new post in our new link collection. And for doing this automatically, what we are going to do is we are going to build a connection with the help of Pabbly Connect between Google Drive and New Link. And we are going to build this connection without any coding and programming skills. Now with Pabbly Connect, we are going to build this automation in such a way that whenever we are going to upload a new file on our Google Drive, then automatically by using that file detail, we are going to create a new post in our New Link collection. So we are going to use Pabbly Connect, and for using Pabbly Connect, we need to search for pabbly.com/connect in our browser, and it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you just have to click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we need to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, and I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add new link collection posts from Google Drive. And now I need to click on Create, and it will take us to this page. So this is the page of our workflow, and here we have two boxes, Trigger and Action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And Trigger says when this happens, Action says do this. So Trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and Action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be Google Drive. So I'm going to select Google Drive here. And now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new file in specific folder will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect Google Drive with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection, and I will sign in with Google. And now I need to click on Allow to give access to my account. So I'm going to click here. And my connection here is successful. So here first what I need to do is I need to select my specific folder or the subfolder. So for this, let me take you to my Google Drive. And in Google Drive, I'm going to use this particular folder of new post. So this is going to be my specific folder. And if in this particular folder, I will upload a new file, then automatically the data of that file will be sent to Pabbly Connect. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and for selecting the folder or subfolder, you need to open this tab, and in this tab you will find all the folders that you have in your Google Drive account, and this is my folder of new post, so this is already selected. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Google Drive, and here in this folder I need to upload a new file. So I'm going to click on this new button, I'm going to click on File Upload, and here I'm going to select this video. So I'm going to upload this. And here we can see in this folder of new post, I have uploaded this new file. So here this is the name of my file, which is Golden Serenity Capturing the Majestic Sunset.mp4. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send as Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all the details of my video or the file that I have uploaded on my folder in Google Drive. So here I have received this response. But if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry because this is a polling based response and within the 10 minutes, you are going to receive this response from Google Drive. So here 10 minutes are the polling time of Google Drive, and now whenever we are going to upload a new file in a specific folder in Google Drive, then within the 10 minutes Google Drive is going to find all those videos and it is going to send that data to Pabbly Connect. So here this is a polling based response, so I'm going to scroll down and here I have received all these details of my file. So this is my video URL or the file URL. Also in this I have my title, that is Golden Serenity Capturing the Majestic Sunset. So this is the title of my video and here I have all these other details like this is a shareable file, and for creating a new post in New Link account you need to make sure that you have made your file shareable in Google Drive. So here I have already given the permission of getting shared. So my file is shareable. So here we can see that I have received all these details of my file. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these details and I want to add a new post in my New Link collection. So for that I need to set up my Actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab. Now here what I need to do is I need to set up my Actions tab, and here my action application is going to be New Link. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select New Link here. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and add post to collection will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect New Link with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with New Link. Now here what I need to do is I need to select my brand and I need to select my collection. So I only have one brand, that is Pabbly Team. So it is already selected, and now I'm going to select my collection. So I'm going to open this tab and general will be my collection. So I'm going to select this and now I'm going to give access to my collection. So I'm going to click here and my connection here is successful. Now here what I need to do is I need to first give a caption for my post. Here for the caption what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the title of my video that I've uploaded on my Google Drive. But in the title of my video what I'm getting is I'm getting this .mp4 extension. I need to remove this extension from my title and then I can use this as my caption. So for removing this extension what I need to do is I need to add one more Actions tab between Google Drive and New Link. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Text Formatter by Pabbly. So this is a tool that Pabbly offers. So I'm going to select this and I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and split text will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect Text Formatter by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect and now I need to give the text to split. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the title of my video that I have received as a response from Google Drive. So I'm going to map that here, and for that I need to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I will open this response of Google Drive and here this is the title of my video. So I'm going to map this and now I need to give a separator. So for the separator what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this dot. So this is going to be my separator, and now whenever in my text it is going to find this dot, it is going to split that from that particular dot. Now I need to give my segment in text. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select all. So here I have filled all the required details. So I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. So here we can see that I have splitted my title of my video into the title and the extension. So here we can see that I have received this title and I can use this as my caption of my post. So for that what I need to do is I need to open this response of New Link and now I'm going to map my caption. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Text Formatter and here this is the caption. Now what I need to do is I need to give the media. Now here in the media what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the video URL of my video that I have uploaded on my Google Drive. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Google Drive and here this web content link is my video URL. So I'm going to map this and now I need to scroll down and I have all these optional detail. So if you want to give any title to your post you can give that too. Also if you want to share to feed as Instagram reel you can type 1 here, and here 1 will mean yes and 0 will mean no. So if you want to post this as Instagram reel then you have to type 1 here, and if you want to post as YouTube short then you need to fill this tab And similarly for yes, you have to type 1 and for no, you have to type 0. So these are all the optional details. So I'm not going to fill these details. I'm only going to add this post in my collection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quick button. And here we can see I have received this response. So I have this response of success. So this means that I have automatically added this new post in my collection in new link. So to check this, let me take you to new link. I'm going to refresh this. And here in new link, we can see I have added this new post. So here this is the caption of my post and the caption is Golden Serenity capturing the majestic sunset, and this is my video. Now here I have scheduled this video and I have added this in my collection of new link. So here we can see that automatically by using my Google Drive file, I have automatically added a new post in my collection in new link. So here my connection between Google Drive and new link is working successfully, and whenever I'm going to upload a new file in my Google Drive, then automatically by using those details of my file, I'm going to create a new post or add a new post in my collection in new link. So here this is my post that I have added in the collection of general, and here this is the caption and this is my video. And now I can organize, maintain or schedule this post in my social media. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have successfully created this connection between Google Drive and new link for adding new link collection posts from Google Drive. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Google Drive, and my trigger event was new file in specific folder. Then I have set up my action steps, and first I have used text formatter by Pabbly, and here my action event was split text. And in the last I have used my action application as new link, and here my action event was add post to collection. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.